Many people have a weak immune system, especially me. But sometime in our life, knowing the truth, the person didn't have good health. It's so very difficult, like doing a simple physical action. But sometimes the food we can eat is the reason why they have a weak immune system. Also, our environment, like dirty smoke, and the biggest fact is many people in our world didn't respect each healthy living body.
The solution is that we must first discipline ourselves, especially in food or activities that will give us serious illness that we will regret when the time comes. Let's train ourselves to exercise regularly, eat healthy foods in a clean and orderly environment, and of course, if we know that we will have a bad body or harm ourselves, maybe it is now up to us to start having a good health, and we ourselves will prove to others that nothing is impossible if we want to take action.